So in this video, I'll show you how to add any refund policy or any privacy policy, any terms and conditions that you want to add it to your checkout page. So once you are in offer, select the checkout page or the offer you want to add the terms and conditions and the policies. Click on the edit checkout, and then when you are here, go to the additional settings and then scroll down. It says service agreement. So now if you want to add a service agreement, click required. If you want a custom service agreement, then you simply just click this part and upload it over here. This will be some by default message that appears, and then this will be a custom message that you can add links to your policy. You can actually copy paste the policy, like if you're using custom one and I want to give link to my policy page, maybe I can do it like this. I'll scroll down, just grab those links. Okay, refund and cancellation, copy that, and then let's go back to our this. Please read the refund policy. Sorry. And then save it. So you see there is another checkbox that says I have read and agree to the terms and condition of this page as follows, and then there is a custom text which I added it for the checkout page. If you want to do just the required one and you save it, it will simply say I've read and agree to the terms and conditions of this page, but then you have to mention it somewhere, whether over here at the end you mention the link to the policy pages or you mention the policy, or the best way is to simply just add the custom policy pages over here, custom service agreement. So that's how you can add any kind of agreement over here before they make purchase. And if you have any questions, please do let me know. I think it was helpful. Thank you.